Hello, my fellow Jedi. Here we go. Let's see. Hear that? That means I need to charge my Saber.
3.69 volts.
3.69 volts.
I'm right.
Ascension. Tabernacle. Ascension.
I'm right.
Smooth Jedi.
Alright, so that's how far we are from the top. Pretty far. Let's see here. We'll probably get a ruler and measure it. Okay, we're about a foot. Maybe like make a mark right about there. Say the bottom of the light is, I'd say 13.5. I'd say we're 13.5 inches from the top. So I'm gonna charge this lightsaber and then we'll estimate. Well, I'll check the time. We know it's 3.69 volts we're at right now.
3.72 volts.
3.72. Went up. That's interesting. All right, well, we're going to plug this in and charge this baby. See what goes on. Hello there, my friends. So it's 2 hours later, and you can see that the tip is glowing. So we're about, from where the light stops really intensely here, about 6 inches from the rounded tip. 5 inches from the top of the flat part, the non-rounded part of the blade. And if I press the hilt here 3 times real quick.
4.02 volts.
4.02 volts.
4.01 volts.
Well, anyway, that's about as fully charged I think as it's going to get. So let's fire it up.
Smooth Jedi.
Let's
Smooth Jedi.
yeah, okay, smooth Jedi. There you go, Leia. Let's fire that up. And all of our sound effects are working properly. Smooth swing is looking good. All right. Well, that was the experiment. Have a great day. If you have any more questions, go ahead and put them in the comments.